can you suggest with puffy eye bags? So there might be a couple of reasons. One could be allergies. Um, One could be food intolerance of some sort. Because I know when I eat gluten, I get dark shiners. I get what we call shiners underneath here, an allergy response. So it could be because you're working out, you're weight training 5 days a week. I would make sure that you have plenty of electrolytes. It could be a calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium imbalance. And you may be retaining sodium because you don't have enough of the calcium and magnesium on board. So I would make sure you're doing either electrolyte drink when you're training, or take a good multi-mineral and make sure you're getting plenty of minerals. But you may have a food intolerance. That's very common to see the puffy eyes from a food intolerance. So little kids that are like dairy intolerant, you'll see they get shiners and puffy underneath their eyes. You take the dairy out and all goes away. So you might want to try challenging, like taking dairy out if you do dairy. Give it a couple weeks and see if you notice any difference. You might try taking out like a high lectin food like wheat, and see in a couple weeks if it doesn't calm down. So that's very common to see puffy eyes with food intolerances. Want to receive restoring organ function recipes to your inbox? Sign up at Divine Farmer Health.